Traveling can be exciting, but for some people, packing for a trip is a chore. However, it's worth doing it well, as there are all kinds of dividends that result from packing well. In this video, we're going to break down the best tips and techniques for packing like a pro, ensuring you're ready for any flight, whether it's a quick weekend getaway or an extended international journey. Packing efficiently not only saves you time and stress at the airport, but it can also save you money by avoiding extra baggage fees. Let's get started with the essentials. 1. Understanding your baggage allowance. Before you even think about what to pack, it's vital to understand your airline's baggage policies. Different airlines have different rules regarding cabin bag sizes and the weight limits of hold luggage. Familiarize yourself with the size and weight limits for both and make sure your bags fit within those constraints. This small step can prevent unexpected charges and delays at the airport. 2. Choosing the right luggage. It's important to have the right bag or suitcase for each flight. For cabin bags, OPT for a lightweight, durable carry-on with multiple compartments. Hard shell cases are great for protecting your belongings, but a soft-sided bag might give you more flexibility with packing and getting it into those overhead compartments. For hold luggage, consider a suitcase with spinner wheels for easy maneuverability in the airport. A hard shell suitcase will protect your belongings far more than a soft shell equivalent. Also, make sure it has a secure lock, either a TSA-approved combination lock or a built-in locking mechanism. 3. The art of rolling clothes. One of the most effective packing techniques is rolling your clothes. This method not only saves space, but also reduces wrinkles. Start by laying each item flat, folding it in half if necessary, and then rolling it tightly from one end to the other. This technique works well for shirts, trousers, and even dresses. Place heavier items like jeans and jackets at the bottom of your bag and lighter items on top. 4. Use packing cubes. If you haven't already discovered packing cubes, you're in for a treat. These small fabric containers help organize your suitcase and maximize space. Assign a cube to each type of clothing, one for tops, one for bottoms, one for underwear, etc. This way, you can easily locate what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Also, packing cubes compress your clothes, thus using the space more efficiently. 5. Pack shoes carefully. Shoes can take up a significant amount of space, so pack wisely. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 pairs, one comfortable pair for walking, one dressier pair, and perhaps a pair of sandals or flip-flops. Place your shoes in shoe bags to keep the rest of your clothes clean. Utilize the space inside your shoes by stuffing them with socks, chargers, or other small items. 6. Don't overload your suitcase with toiletries. When it comes to toiletries, think minimal. Decant your favorite products into travel-sized containers, or better yet, invest in a set of travel-sized toiletries. Remember, if you're carrying them in your cabin bag, liquids must be in containers of 100 ml or less and fit into a clear, resealable plastic bag. For hold luggage, ensure your toiletries are securely packed to prevent leaks. A good tip is to place cling film under the lids of bottles before screwing them shut. 7. Pack cables and electronics neatly. Cables and electronics can easily become a tangled mess. To avoid this, use a cable organizer or repurpose an old sunglasses case to keep your cords neat and accessible. For added security, store your electronics in your cabin bag to protect them from damage or loss. Don't forget to pack a universal adapter if you're traveling internationally, and keep your power bank handy for charging on the go. 8. The importance of a personal item. Most airlines allow a personal item in addition to your cabin bag, such as a handbag, backpack, or laptop bag. Use this to your advantage by packing essentials like your passport, travel documents, medication, and a change of clothes. This way, if your hold luggage is delayed, you'll have everything you need to get by for at least 24 hours. 9. Weighing and checking your luggage. Before leaving for the airport, it's a good idea to weigh your luggage at home. A portable luggage scale is a worthwhile investment to avoid surprises at check-in. Make sure your hold luggage is within the airline's weight limits and double-check that your cabin bag fits into the overhead compartment sizer. It's also wise to label your luggage with your contact information in case it gets lost. 10. Final checks. Finally, do a quick checklist before you head out the door. Have you packed all your travel documents? Is your phone fully charged? Have you checked the weather at your destination? Have you checked for any delays on the route to the airport? A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth travel experience. With these tips, you'll be able to pack efficiently and stress-free for any flight. Remember, the key to packing like a pro is to stay organised, pack smart, and always be prepared. Safe travels and enjoy your journey.